Former Renaissance Financial Holdings banker Peterson Timba, 59, has been arrested and is expected to appear before the Kadova Magistrates Court facing a charge of rape. Sanabina mashikubraitoka panguva ino pamusoro arrest aiwa ya Peterson Timba. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. According to the state's own outline, Timba is alleged to have raped a female employee at Tauro's mine in Kadoma, where he served as a director in October 2023. The complainant is employed as a security guard at the mine. On the day in question, she had reportedly been asked to perform household chores at Timba's residence after the family housemaid was unavailable. The state alleges that as the complainant was preparing to leave the house, Timba switched off the lights, forcibly undressed her and raped her. Prosecutors say the complainant did not immediately report the incident. 2 days later, she confided in an individual but received no assistance. In September 2025, she disclosed the alleged assault to another person who advised her to report the matter to the police. She subsequently filed a police report and was referred to Kadoma General Hospital for medical examination. The medical report, the state says, will be produced in court as part of the evidence. Timba has not yet pleaded to the charges, and the matter remains before the courts. Peterson Timba is a former senior banker who previously worked for Renaissance Financial Holdings, a now defunct financial services group. Once associated with prominent political and business figures in Zimbabwe, he is also related to Jameson Timba, a senior figure in the movement for democratic change. Jameson Timba served in government during the Zimbabwe Government of National Unity as a minister under the Prime Minister Morgan Tsvangirai between 2009 and 2013. There is no suggestion from the state that the alleged offense is connected to Timba's political association or those of his relatives. As with all criminal matters, Timba is presumed innocent until proven guilty by the court of law. Thomas Wanbraitokom the Herald. Section minutes of finger able to dip on subscribe or like on the bell icon.